make kwaphuma lelo gama elithi uNkulunkulu abusise. It goes a long way. It becomes a blessing. Ngiyile group ke yangala bo 85 le usisi akhulume ngayo la kuleyo mnyaka bo 85 to 89 kwakutransidwa from era ethile kiwa kwenye kwakhandwa kodwa ngakhumbula from ngabo 85 ukuza ku 89 ngiyakhumbula ne conference eyayikhona la iMbalenhle I'm sure ngo 88 ngaleso sikhathi sasiqhamuke eBergville ukuyogcoba umongameli uBamasini indlela abazalwane kodwa inhliziyo nami engahlala ngithi angiyeke lo khona sizosheshe sidle ne bathwala abantu abazi ukuthi uhambe more than 70 years more than 70 la ebandleni angithi abantu ababona uCaptain bacabanga ukuthi awuvele kwathathwa nje ubaba kakhe waba uCaptain ibandla kuyathatha umfana okhulayo enze uCaptain ashade awuCaptain abe neyingane mama ngibheka ngenza i-average iminyaka kaBathwala ngithaya is more than 70 years ngoba ebusheni bakhe wavuma ukuthi akhethwe ukuba umholi wabantu abasha right then kwahamba kwafika esikhathini and wahola kahle esewubaba womuzi ngoba amadoda namhlanje ayahlupha athi mawane 40 rand aqala ukuphakama lento esonto yangibambezela I've got things to do ngabe ngenze into zami ngoba unamalini
40 rand
yiko besiyaphela thola hawula iswayile ya 40 rand owaphakama ngayo amen mangifuna ukuthi uBathwala kaphakamanga ngalesikhathi ezwa ngathi une 40 rand wahlala kakhulu enkosini that is why abantu lokadala kwakunemlindelo khona bogogo ngamsonta nabo uyabazi kwakuthiwa bogogo Mloyi wakaHlophe bogogo Mathebula wakamvubu bogogo Nkabinde uyabazi ngangimbona makeze kubo manje ke ahlale enkosini ngoba abazalwane uhlale enkosini is a choice you choose uhlale enkosini noma uwedwa even if your friends are not in your surrounding uhlale lakhiwe ibandla lilungiswa kuleya minyaka kwaba neperiod yaka 1990 ukuza ku2010 ngoba ibandla abazalwane lithi malizinzile bese liqala ukukhuluma into ekhulumisa ibandla bazalwane ukuthanda ikhundla ngithi abantu uma kungekho oholayo in the absence of leadership everybody seems qualified to lead wonke umuntu wabona ngathi hayi nami ngingakhona I'm available ngikhona ngalida akhohlwe ukuthi akanaso isikhathi prepared to invest in this leadership and uthanda no complain so Bathwala sizothi la sibonga uNkulunkulu ngawe ukuthi ukhona kuze kube namuhla more than anything bafundisi sidinga abantu kubafundisi abazoba nalomoya ukuthi ngoyibamba kuze kube sigcineni and ukuba umfundisi ke akusiyinto elula ngoba kuba umfundisi wedwa uba nenhlanhla mawube nomama oba committed to the cause oma nawe sokunenhlanhla umama nawe kuze kube sekugcineni wherever you go uba khona uma mthwala ayengahlukani nobathwala laba yakhona ubabona sometimes bahamba bobabili sometimes bahamba nebandla because no mama umama uMthweni committed to the cause ubaba bekangene kuyo bazalwane to serve ibandla 30 years or more 70 years it's not a child's play kuyashisa la ibandleni bathola bayazi ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi bolakhe bebake bathi mabaseyihlalweni mhlawumbe zesinodi noma zeconference ngaleso sikhathi siyouth masingena siphokothe we are pushing iline yethu yomntwana esinqondo ithe ukuthi abantu abadala bazi owaziyo ngoba uno-standard 2 kanti ukhuluma u-standard we understand lento kaNkulunkulu ukuthi ayihambi ngiyithandana hamba ngomoya asibekezelele amen asibekezelele basiyeke singene sikhuluma isilungu sibatshele they are not understanding and sibatshele nezinto ekufanele zenzakala bathule basibheke bobathwala nabo bonke bobaba abadala but these are our children awukho umgqomo labangalahlwa khona sizobabekezelela bakhule later on they will understand bona manje sengiyaqonda baba ukuthi le yanto le platform enanisinika yona isibekezelela yayisho ukuthini but